Now we want to turn to the latest on the pandemic affecting the world. When it hit, the U.S. State Department closed embassies and consulates all around the globe. Then just last month, President Trump also temporarily suspended the ability of legal immigrants to come to the United States with those green cards.
And that's raised, of course, a lot of questions for families who might have traveled to the U.S. before the pandemic hit, and then now they're wondering what happens when their visa expires. Immigration attorney Ashkan Emami with the Path Law Group is with us now to discuss this. Good morning, and thank you for joining us, Mr. Emami.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
First off, what do you advise people to do if they have some family members who are unable to come here? Are the spouses and the children exempt from the immigration freeze?
Sure. Yeah, that's a great question, and it's a question that we're getting a lot of as well. So the proclamation is not as broad-reaching as we initially thought it was. It does not apply to lawful permanent residents or green card holders or spouses and children of U.S. citizens. Unfortunately, it does apply to spouses and children of lawful permanent residents. So if you don't have citizenship and you have someone who's outside of the country with pending visa application, or someone who does not have an application filed at all, then no entry is not possible for those people if you're not a U.S. citizen.
Yeah.
There's some other categories that are exempt as well, but the main people affected by this are spouses and children of lawful permanent residents.
Yeah, I can imagine what that's like for these separated families right now. And I want to ask you, too, because domestic immigration is still functioning, can you extend your visa right now if you're visiting the U.S.? Is that possible? How would that even work?
Sure. If you're already in the United States, then you are able to extend your visa. It depends on what visa status you're on. There are multiple different types of visas. There's employment-based visas, and there's people who are here on other types of statuses as well. Domestically, immigration is still functioning essentially as normal. So if you're here, you can extend.
Okay. What about other immigration issues that have been affected by the pandemic? What's the best place for people to turn to get more information?
Sure. So the situation is relatively fluid. The proclamation is in effect for 60 days, and it may be extended. But as far as staying updated on immigration policy, it's something that people should check regularly, either with an immigration attorney or directly on the USCIS immigration website for regular updates.